Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the Mech Merlin Group Buy News Show. I see quite a few people on tonight. Mexican Banana, Infinite Nacho, I'm Not Brie, KSJ, Neely, Suri, Tenor Madness, Chancellor 5, Noah Craze, Crucified Puka Jata, Someone is Happy Today, DJ Sato. I also see a Happy Bot subscribing with Prime for 9 months in a row. Thank you very much. All right. For those of you new to this segment, I do a group buy news stream every Sunday, 7:30 p.m. PDT, in which we talk about keyboards, keycaps, switches, whatever that are either starting or ending group buy for the following week. This specific episode will cover 11/28 today all the way till December 4th, this coming Saturday. So everything within this 7-day time period is fair game. So with that said, let's talk about our first ending group buy. This one was actually a missed group buy from last week. This one. This is the Idobao MA Elements Suit R1. Basically, if you pick up the alphas and the modifiers, you're looking at $58. You've got other modifiers as well, and a bunch of other kits that are pertaining to this. If you were to buy all of these guys, you're looking at about $182. Let's look at some of these renders. Kind of looks like carbon, if you ask me. Apparently this has been an ongoing profile. You can find a lot of keycaps in this profile on drop. $182 if you want to buy all of them. And check it out. Shipping time, November 30th. So when this group buy ends, this is also when it ships. Unless, of course, that's a misprint. But yeah, check it out. Next item that is ending is a GMK set. GMK Hooty comes with the actual key set and with a few accessories. Let's take a look at the key set first. So the key set, you're looking at a $134.99 base kit with a couple kits attached, such as, what is this? These are the Novelkeys, accent colorways, and for extended support, expansion kit, there we go. Yeah, if you wanted to buy all of this, actually, all of this, including the 2 dust mats. Here, let's go look. Come on, internet. Oh yeah, FYI, if for some reason my stream goes down, it's not that my internet is bad, but my router is connected to a power strip, and Miso has discovered how to turn it off. She's turned it off like multiple times in the last week, so hopefully it doesn't happen when I'm actually streaming, because if she turns that off, it'll bring all of my connections down. But yeah, just FYI, if that happens, it's my cat's fault. But yeah, check this out. They've got a couple of dust mats here, all for $19.99. You also have some artisan keycaps going for $38, $58. And if you wanted color match switches, you can buy anywhere from a 10-pack all the way to a 110-pack of this Hooty colored switch. And of course, you've got cables. So to buy all of this, along with the key set, you're looking to spend about $550, and because this is a GMK set, expect delivery Q4 2022, possibly later. Actually, most likely later. I'm gonna guess Q1 2023. Alright, next set that is expiring is also expiring on the 30th. There we go. This one is KAM Soaring Skies. So yeah, you can get a base kit that supports all the way up to TKL on some of its common layouts. See that? Several base kits afforded actually. You've got Text Light, Icon Light, Text Dark, Icon Dark, so you guys can pick. All of these are about $89. And as typical with your KAM set, you have so many different kits here. So many different kits. Here, let's see all of them. See, so you got modifiers, alphas, Japanese alphas, numpad, different colored numpads, text mods, you name it. There's like, I think there's at least like 23 kits here. And you've even got blanks, right? To buy all of this, if you really wanted to buy every single kit or every single kit in this key set, you're looking to spend about $1,000. Yeah, it's pretty insane. $1,000. Delivery to you, the customer, is going to be Q3 of 2022, so a little bit earlier than GMK Hooty are their projected expectations. Yeah, check it out. Next set that is expiring the following day on the 31st. All the way on Canon Keys, this is Domikey Ghost, coming in with a base kit covering up to TKL and the common layouts under that for 95 bucks. You've also got extensions, novelties, numpads. And the cool thing about this is it comes with a really cute encoder knob for 45 bucks. Milo knob. Look at that. That's so cute. Even though it's Domikey, it's still going to take a long time to produce. We're looking at an ETA of Q2 2022. Base set for 95, looking at an all-in price of $346. Okay, so that covers base kit all the way to the Milo cap. Yeah, if you guys are interested, check it out. These are the key sets. Oh, and get this, guys. There's other things here. The desk mats. Desk mats are really cute too. Got 20 bucks each for Milo and Ghost. I think this is the first key set that actually has shirts available. For 40 bucks, I believe. Yep, 40 bucks, you can buy a t-shirt. A keycap inspired t-shirt. Look at that. Pretty interesting. So yeah, check it out if you guys are interested. This one goes all the way to December 1st. Next set that is expiring on December 1st. Here we go. This one is GMK November Fog. Base kit going for $134.99. Couple other kits underneath it, such as novelties, extensions, Nord UK, space bars, and of course some artisan caps here for 60 bucks each. Or actually, this one's only 38. And Keylabs 1U for 43 and Keylabs 2.25 for 53. Let's look at some of the renders here. Look at that. November Fog. Base kit going for $134.99. And if you wanted to buy all of those items that I just showed, you're looking at spending about 550 bucks. Yeah. And because it is GMK, you're looking to be receiving this sometime Q4 2022 or possibly Q1 2023. But yeah, this one expires on the 1st, which is, I believe, this Wednesday. So check it out if you guys are interested. Next up is ePBT Winter Breath, also expiring on the 1st. So if you purchase from KBD fans, the price is actually cheaper. It's at 89 bucks. If you purchase from Valor Supply, I believe, bumps it up to like a little over 90. But then, of course, you have to factor in the shipping costs from KBD fans located in China to you. So, you know, whichever works out better for you, right? Yeah, this key set comes with several kits as well. Novelties, accents, numpad, space bars, icon mod. But yeah, to get all of this, you know, to get all of this, you are looking at about $400. Still a little bit too drab for my taste, so I probably won't be getting in on this though. Oh look, it's Mr. Suit, nice. Desk mats available as well. If you guys are interested, this one expires Wednesday, December 1st. And if you get in on this, you are expecting a potential delivery date of Q2 2022. As far as I know, those are all the key sets that are expiring this week. But just as a quick recap, that's the Idobao MA key set expiring on the 30th. You've got GMK Hooty also expiring on the 30th. You've got KAM Soaring Skies. When is this expiring? Also on the 30th. Along with DMK Ghost expiring on the 1st. And then GMK Fog also expiring on the 1st. And last but not the least, Winter Breath also expiring on the 1st. Which ones are you guys most interested in? Let's see, if I were to choose if I were to choose, definitely not going for MA, just because I don't like high profile as much. GMK Hooty, kinda interested in. KAM Soaring Skies, I'm not really feeling it. Like, honestly, I'm not feeling any of these. Like, Domikey Ghost is probably the most interesting because it's so unique. But I'm not sure if it's unique enough for me to spend 95 bucks on. I will agree with Tataimo about at least getting the knob. The knob is just too cute to like pass up on. So if anything, I might just get the knob. Let's see, November Fog, I'm like, meh. Winter Breath, I'm also kind of like, meh. So, yeah, probably just this guy. But yeah, let's talk about keyboards. As far as I know, there was only one keyboard expiring this week, but we'll see what people say during the audience group buy section, right? The one keyboard that I know of that is expiring this week is the M65 C from Rama Works. So you have your choice. Well, 440, I believe, is the top end. You can get other colors for 380. Yep, so 380 on the low end and 440 on the high end. Based on Rama's track record, expect over a year. So probably, I'd say Q1 or Q2 of 2023 at the earliest. Yeah, check it out if you guys are interested. This one is expiring on the 30th, so what, that's Tuesday. High end of 440. See, someone was mentioning about different PCBs. Yeah, Wilba is no longer designing the PCBs for this, so I don't know who he is going through to design PCBs. If you wanted to join every single group buy that I just talked about, everything from the Idobao MA element all the way to what I just talked about, the M65C, you are spending, or you are going to be spending, a grand total of $3,614. $3,614 to join every single one of these ending group buys. Don't forget that doesn't include shipping, taxes, or custom fees. So, you know, realistically, you're probably looking at over 4,000. But yeah, let's talk about stuff that I missed, starting with a key set. Here we go. This one is ePBT Maris. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly. Maris, Morass. I have no idea. But this one is a base kit of 96 bucks. Look at that. Comes with other kits as well. Oh, quite a lot of kits. Numpad International, 40s, Novelkeys, Tilda. Okay. You've got some accent keys as well, or accent kits. Green, blue, and pink. Along with a desk mat. And of course, Acero artisans like so. So if you were to buy all of these guys, if you were to go all in on this keyboard, or on this key set, sorry, you're looking at spending around $400. Look at that. Yeah, it's no, the thing about PBT can never be as colorful as ABS unless you go the reverse dye sub route, which tends to have a couple problems on its own. But if you're just doing regular dye sub, the colors are never going to be as vibrant. They tend to all look the same, you know, even with accent colors like this. But yeah, and also even if you go with ePBT, you're not necessarily getting your product that much sooner. Like this one has an ETA of Q3 2022. Let's see, 406 to go all in, 96 for the base kit. This one, because I just missed it last week, this one has until December 17th for you to make your purchase. This is a keyboard I missed from Pikati.com, and this is probably, I would say, endgame quality keyboard. This is an endgame keyboard that I missed, so I don't know how I could have missed it. This is called the FinnGus Keyboard Kit, and as you can see, it is a cat, which is why you know it's endgame for me. Look at that, for $82.69, you get a What is this? This is basically it's like a 60% with arrow keys, and like, I guess this has as many keys as a 65. The legs are armrest. Is there a picture of the PCB mounting? I believe this is just sandwich mount here. Let's go take a look at all the photos here. Oh, look at those cats. They're probably confused. Look, oh yeah, that's an encoder knob, guys. When I first saw this, I thought this would allow the tail to wag, but no, that's just an encoder knob. It's just an encoder knob. There's feet right there. So it's called FinnGus because apparently the designer's cats are named Finn and Gus. They're putting the cat on the microwave. Nice. Oh my gosh. Looks like the PCB is driven by a Pro Micro or a Proton C or an Elite C, whatever you choose. Yeah. Estimated production time is 22 weeks. So yeah, it won't come this year, but definitely by Q1. Q1 of next year. So yeah, check it out if you guys are interested. I've no idea how I possibly missed this last week, but you have until December 15th to make your purchase. And it's only $82. This one, all the way on KBD Fans, this is the Maja V2 for $359, or I guess $369 if you go for the E-White variant. Yeah, if you guys are looking for a Alice style 65%. So you got black, gray, pine green, dark blue, violet, purple, E-White, and polycarb. So yeah, any more pictures from this? Yep. Looks like a pretty decent board. You can even buy a matching wrist rest, as you guys can see from this picture. Yeah, fairly good quality. All that stuff. And yeah, this is also gasket mount, which from my understanding is different from what the V1 was. I think the V1 was only top mount. So yeah, this is so much better. Let's talk about some in-stock stuff. And speaking of Thock stocks, don't forget to join their 12 days of Thock stocking. Here. All you have to do is sign up with your email, sign up with your email and you'll be entered to win quite a few giveaways here. So don't forget to do that. But yeah, normally I talk about 3 items that I found interesting on Thock stock, but I'm going to do it a little bit differently this time. I'm actually going to talk about the 2 products that I bought during Black Friday. The first item that I purchased was actually something that I regretted not buying the first time that it came about. I bought GMK Kaiju off of Drop. I realized that I don't have that many green sets. I recently received Geek RT, and I was like, yeah, I could use more green. So I'm glad to see that this finally came back. This one's currently in stock. $150 for the base kit and $55 for the warning kit. So yeah, check it out if you guys are interested. Limited stock, of course. Next item that I purchased is also a GMK set. I purchased GMK Hammerhead, also in stock over on Novelkeys. I realized that the only blue key set that I have is actually GMK Mizu. And GMK Mizu is, for the time being, on my 7V, on my blue 7V, and I don't think I can remove it very easily and find another set that matches the 7V so well. $185, right? You also have your choice of the dark base, also for $185, novelties for $65, extras for $40, and Euro for $45. So yeah, those are the 2 key sets that I bought this past Friday. Let's move on to starting group buys. Let's talk about starting group buys. We also don't have too many starting this week. The very first item that is starting this week is occurring on December 1st. This is a key set called ePBT Brutalist. Check it out. And just like Brutalist architecture, similar to what the Canon Keys Brutalist architecture series of boards are, it's a very simple looking kit. Gray, lighter gray, beige, it It's one of those. No. Yeah, look at that. Novelties with Brutalist architecture. Ooh, look at that spacebar. That is bizarre. Whoa. It's like a different shade of fog. Yeah, I can see that. Okay, let's go continue looking at the renders here. Yeah, honestly, I'm not feeling the set. This just... nothing's really striking out to me. I feel like what strikes out on this set is the novelty. So if you don't get the novelties, the colors don't really do it for me. Yeah, look. Desk mats. Okay, that looks pretty cool. I have no clue what this is supposed to be. Probably some architecture thing. The collaborations. Ooh. Oh my god, that's such a weird keycap. Okay. Whoa. That. Look at that. Aluminum screw tray. Okay. Yeah, see, everything is still TBA, purchase links and prices, but at least the vendors have been identified. You can buy to some KBD fans. Cactus keycaps, which seems to be new. I don't think I've ever... Yeah, I don't think I've talked about Cactus keycaps before. They must be new. There's also Desk Hero, Candy Keys, Prototype is Daily Clack, Monster Gear, Fun Keys, and Clickety Shop. But yeah, this is supposed to go live on December 1st and is running until January 1st. So check it out if you guys are interested. Next set is another key set running on December 1st, this coming Wednesday. This is GMK Nightrunner Round 2. Starting with the base set of $129.99. We've got a couple others as well, such as novelties, space bars, a few dust mats. Oh, this dust mat looks pretty cool. If you wanted to buy all of that, desk mats included, you're looking to spend a total of $250. So yeah, relatively cheap key set. Honestly, not feeling it. Like what Kitty Namo is saying, this yellow is a little too neon for me. Maybe if it was a little bit more subtle, I'd like it. But the way it is right now, kind of, it's a little too much for me. And oh my gosh, look, apparently you can match this with a Stellar 65 keyboard kit from Clavier. Look at that. Yeah, that's a little bit too neon for me. Let's see. Vendors are going to be Space Holdings, Ash Keys, Prototype is Salvin, Z Frontier, Swag Keys, Island KB, and Switch Keys. And this will be running from December 1st to December 31st. And with an ETA of Q4 2022. But yeah, if you guys are interested, check it out. Next key set is from a new manufacturer. You've heard of them before because of their keyboards, but I did not know that they also made key sets. But yeah, this is the WS Grey Ghost. WS stands for Wutre Studios, the people responsible for the Icky 68. So yeah, they're starting off with something called Grey Ghost. PBT cherry profile, gray on white set with red accents. Looks like it's all the way up to TKL, and for this base kit, you're looking at $64. So fairly cheap, fairly cheap. You also have alternate modifiers if you want a different, darker color scheme. Also got novelties right there, spacebar kits. Numpad kit. Yeah, $64 for a PBT cherry profile. They are well known for their keyboards. What? They've done the Icky 68, they've done the Ginkgo 65, right? They're also known for their stabilizers. But yeah, I guess this is their New Frontier keycaps. Oh, there we go. That's the one with the alternate modifiers. That actually looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. I'm going to say I like that better than ePBT Brutalist. The December 1st to January 1st, Vendors are going to be Mekibo, Desk Hero, MyKeyboard.eu, Prototypist, Daily Clack, Island KB, and of course, the people who made the keycaps themselves, Ultra Studios. Okay, here we go. 64 USD, 50 for the alt mod, Spacebars 32, Novelkeys 40. Cool. Really good stuff here. Like, Ultra Studios has been doing so many great things lately. In fact, I believe their next project is something I'm super interested in. It's the Mammoth 75. See, Mammoth 75 right here. So yeah, this is not a group buy. This is just me being excited about an upcoming keyboard. Look at that. See? So what caught my eye is that it is not unlike any 75 that we've seen lately. It's got this huge encoder knob, and it's got the side column in a square formation rather than the typical column. Very similar to my LW67, which I like so much. So yeah, this definitely caught my attention. Here we go. One thing I don't like about it is the Mammoth logo. The Mammoth logo looks kind of cheesy to me, to be honest. But yeah. Interest check. Don't know when this will go into group buy, but we'll talk about it again once the group buy is starting. We were talking about Ultra Studio Grey Ghost. Yeah, this one, $64 for the base kit. If you wanted to buy everything in this key set, you're looking at $211. So check it out. This guy starts on December 3rd and is ending on January 1st. As far as I know, those are the only key sets that are starting. So just, there's not too many. But there's ePBT Brutalist, there's GMK Nightrunner, and WS Grey Ghost. Which ones are you guys most interested in? Out of these 3 key sets that are starting this week, which one are you guys most interested in? Out of these 3, the one that I'm most interested in is probably the Ultra Studios Grey Ghost, simply because I'm curious to see how good these are. Like compared with Geek Arc, Milky Way, ePBT, nice PBT, Canon caps, all of the other PBT caps out there. How good are these? And is $64 really worth it? That's what I want to figure out. Then that's why I would be interested in Grey Ghost. But yeah, let's talk about keyboards that are starting. First keyboard that I'm talking about is actually a collaboration with GMK Tiramisu. Starting on 11/29, it's a raffle rather than a first come first serve. But yeah, this is the Mr. Suit in GMK Tiramisu colorway. Tiramisuit, and as usual, I really love it when they make the name a pun. So here we go. The Tiramisuit, you have a couple options here. You can buy the soldered variant for $430, or the hot swap variant for $10 more, $440. You do have options to buy extra parts such as PCB, plates, gaskets, all that good stuff. See that? So this is not a colorway that is normally offered with the Mr. Suit. For those of you interested to know if the Mr. Suit is a good deal, I actually quite enjoy mine. Look at that. If you don't have keycaps, what's the point? That's true. If you don't have the key set that a keyboard is themed after, is it worth buying the keyboard? What do you guys think? Suri says, yeah, depends. Nope. Yeah, if you didn't get the key set, is it worth getting the keyboard? Not worth it? You just use it or wait for the keycaps? I feel like it depends. No. I'd buy the keycaps if I won the board. Just hope for extras, yeah, or like Mech Market, right? Just put white and black or beige. Yeah. That works. Vicious says, I'm suited out. Yeah, I still need to rebuild my suit. Owl Labs sent me their tungsten switches, and they are loud as hell. Loud as hell. I don't enjoy typing on them. So I kind of want to switch it out to something else. Haven't decided what switch yet, but we'll see. So yeah, it's definitely more of a for me, I think it's more of a collector type of deal, right? So yeah, this is all going to be the same as the Master Suit. This is not going to sound any better. Look, even the box that it comes with is different. And even the wiping cloth is different as well. Interesting. But yeah, here we go. Raffle date, November 29th. Number of units, 150. Extra entries will be given to GMK Tiramisu base kit buyers. Ooh. Join raffle through Google Form. The form will be open for 48 hours. Payment by Shopify checkout. Interesting. So yeah, shipping fees are anywhere from 55 to 60, but of course if you're in China, Hong Kong, Taiwan, Macau, you're using SF Express, pay on arrival, whatever that cost will be. I did not get on GMK Tiramisu, and I don't think I will. So this is not something that would interest me. Plus, I've already got a Mr. Suit. So yeah, this happens 11/29, which is tomorrow actually. So check it out if you guys are interested. Let's see. This next one is occurring the following day, 11/30. In fact, I covered this in one of my interest check videos. But this next keyboard that is starting is the Type 65 Plus, occurring on November 30th. This is a 65% with left-hand macros. Here, let's look for a better picture. Here we go. Nope, that's not it. Give me a better picture. Well, I guess this is it without it being built. So yeah, 65% as usual with blocker. Then you have left-hand macros. Yeah, if you felt that the 65 is too limiting for you, this might be the board to get. Man, check it out. This is approximately $396. I know it's being sold as RM640 Malaysian ringgit, 1640 and 1680 for the hot swap unit. So yeah, that's roughly $400, I think. 396. Apparently this one runs from the 30th of November till December 7th. 350 units, first come, first serve. You can actually mix and match the top and bottom colors. Here we go. FR4 plate, hot swap PCB. What else is here? I've honestly forgot what I said about this when it was during the what do you call that? When I talked about it during the interest check video. It looks like Lightning keyboards. Diego already built one, so that's cool. Looks like he put all of his artisans on the macro keys. Yeah, it's a good looking 65. But I'm not sure having just a macro column on the left is enough to motivate me to buy another 65. Check it out if you guys are interested. This one starts on the 30th and ends on the 7th. First come, first serve, roughly $400. Right, this next board that is starting on the 1st, and I'll actually be doing a build stream of it this coming Tuesday. Here we go. This is the Vertex Angle TKL. If you guys caught my unboxing stream, my initial take on this, just from unboxing and playing with like the parts, is that this is a very beautiful TKL. In fact, I find it more beautiful than my Owl Labs Mr. Suit. So I just wish, like, I am wishing that this will sound and feel better than the Mr. Suit. Yeah, this is absolutely gorgeous. So if you look at this picture right here, you'll know that on the internal weight it says, play the angles, know the angles. For mine, they actually put like my wizard hat on and Mech Merlin. So I'm like, oh, that's so sweet of them. Yeah, this is a very beautiful board. Despite the shiny chamfers on the Mr. Suit, I still found this board to be much nicer. Much nicer. My particular unit, I think, is from the China group buy, so it doesn't come with a IO3 daughter board. It comes with their proprietary one. No, but yeah, this is absolutely gorgeous. See that? This is probably the first board that I've seen that had like a protector or like a a covering for the daughter board here. Do that. Play the angles, know the angles. Yeah, this board just looked so much better than the Mr. Suit for me. Will it be a better board? I won't know until Tuesday. The price for this is anywhere from 440 to 456 depending on the options that you chose. If you go for the E-White variant, which is what I've got, known as the Bianco, you're looking at the $456, but you also have Fog and all that other stuff. But yeah, this one starts on Wednesday, December 1st. You guys can actually read through the Geek Hack thread, which is what I'm looking through over here. And when it comes time to make your purchase, you can purchase this from clickclack.io. Here we go. There we go. So yeah, not too many boards starting today, but 2 TKLs and 165 out of curiosity. Out of these three, the Owl Labs Tiramisuit, the Type 65 Plus. Which ones are you guys, or the Angle from Vertex TKL, which ones are you guys most interested in? The first time chat from Man101, Vertex a banger. Oh, I see a subscriber. Sichi Yao has subscribed. Thank you very much. Getting the angle, Tiramisuit. You sold me on the angles as JMOs. Oh no. See, show that 65 again. Sure, I'll show that 65 again. 65 with macros on the left. Angle, Tiramisuit. Gonna have to be the angle if you like it over suit so much. Well, I only like it based on the aesthetics. You will have to wait till Tuesday during the build stream if I like it also on the typing and the sound. Wallet about to take another dent. Tiramisuit is a special one, but I think it's actually going to be a very common version of the suit compared to other colors past. Wallet empty, Sasuri. Tiramisuit, yeah. It's time to transition to the audience group buy. Couple things to note here. If you feel like I missed a group buy that is ending or starting this week, keyword this week. Basically anything starting tonight, November 28th, all the way till December 4th, this coming Saturday. Make sure you send me a link about it, some context, start, end dates, and anything to pay attention to. You can reach me by whispering me /WMacMerlin, or you can right click on my name and do whisper. Here we go. GMK Trash Friends. Apparently, according to that guy Starsky, starts on the 1st. Here we go. Kind of looking like... This reminds me of Olivia with a different shade of pink. Yeah, this one's starting on the 1st. Group by date, December 1st, 2021. Cool. See, Zark says it's an IC, not a group buy. But yes, this is a starting group buy. Until the group buy actually starts, it is an interest check. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, this reminds me of Olivia, but with a different shade of pink. What is this? Interesting. Okay. So here we go. They are comparing it to Olivia and GMK Cafe. Okay. Interesting. Okay, so this one is using all custom RAL colors. Okay. Cool. Okay. The raccoon squirrel. Interesting. Okay. Vendors. It's going to be on Canon keys. Base kit's going to be $124.99. Okay. Typical pricing. Desk Hero prototype is My Keyboard EU. Daily Clock and Ilum KB. Okay. Not too bad. Not too bad. I'm not sure how I feel about the colors, to be honest, but thank you very much, that guy Starsky. You guys can check it out with that link I just posted. 40% plus arrows and macro column. Okay, and it's also ortholinear. Look at that, guys. Ortholinear with arrow keys and macro column all the way on the P3D store for 115 bucks. Part of me is thinking that 115 bucks for a board of this caliber seems a little too expensive. Right here. See, so you got ortho and staggered. So okay, good. You've got staggered support. That's awesome. Okay, PCB. Is it different PCBs? Yeah, this looks to be hot swap, so it's got to be different PCBs. There's staggered and ortho hot swap. Okay. Very cool. 115 bucks. Not bad. Not bad. Yeah, I would most likely go for the staggered version if I were to buy this board. Looks cute. You know, if you guys saw from my previous group buy news and build streams that I built the High Finger 7.5, and I commented that that seemed like a board that was a 40%. That someone just wanted a little more of. I feel like this board seems to fit the bill better. But yeah, thank you very much, Tenor Madness. There we go. I'm Not Breeze. Starting tomorrow and runs till the 13th. Looks to be a budget JWK or with the JWIC pricing with the Q1 delivery. You have your choice between 70 and 110 pieces. Top housing is nylon blend. Bottom housing is also nylon blend. So fully nylon switch. So I do expect this to Thock. 62G spring. Okay. Not bad. This is not marshmallow switch. I'm glad that they specified that. Okay. Here, let me paste that in chat for you guys to check out. Pink switches. Let's see. Do I have any pink boards? I feel like this would work well for the Trash Friends board. Alright, for the Trash Friends key set. Would be a good color match there. Yeah, that's not a bad pricing at all. 41 for 110 pieces. That's pretty good. Alright, thank you very much. I'm Not Bree. Okay, this actually interests me a great deal. Here we go. Think 6.5 V2 solder flex PCB. Okay, so if you guys remember my build stream of the Think 6.5 V2, I actually built 3 of them. 1 was mine and two were for customers. One of my main critiques about the Think 6.5 V2 was that it didn't really feel good to me. Like, it looked great. I love how the board looks, but that's not enough to make me like really appreciate the board. So being the fact that one of my critiques is that it didn't feel good, this PCB greatly interests me. This PCB greatly interests me. Look at that. Let's see. Let's see, it's got RGB underglow. Okay, it's got that. Do I see... Is there a reset switch anywhere? Okay, good. They've got... I think that's a reset switch. Can't really tell. Or maybe that's the LED switch. Yeah, Siri says maybe people will stop trying to sell theirs on Mac Market. Yeah, I know. Like, if you guys go on Mac Market, you'll see that Think 6.5 V2 is on sale a lot. I think A lot of people have been unhappy with their board. Okay, good. This one still has ESD protection like the original PCB. That's good. And you do have your choice between 1U and 2U, so that's good. Man, let's see. $60 for a PCB, going from yesterday, the 27th, all the way till the 6th, and fulfillment is about a month or two. Yeah, I think I would be interested in trying this out, rebuilding my Think 6.5 before I sell it, because I too am thinking about selling my Think 6.5 just because it just sits here. I've not typed on it again other than the first week that I first built it, so maybe with this PCB it will work better. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. But yeah, thank you so much, Peter Poppins. This is something that I am actually interested in. This one is from Square Bamboo. You guys are interested in pewter switches. Here we go. For $63, you guys get pewter switches. 90 pewter switches. If you've never heard of pewter switch, think of this as a refined Cherry MX Brown. So yeah, it's gonna have that same level of tactility. It's gonna have that same level of weight. But overall, my experience with the pewters is that they were smoother and slightly more tactile. You know? So yeah, if you guys are not happy with browns but like how they feel, pewters are probably your best bet. Let's see, 58.5 G weight. Palm and metallic pewter color. Subtle like a smooth MX brown. Pewter. Did you say puke switches by accident? Probably. My biases may biases may come out from every now and then. Let's see. Okay. As far as I know, that's the last one. So we'll keep this open for another minute. All right. Looks like no one else is sending me stuff. So yeah, thanks guys for joining in. My next stream is going to be this coming Tuesday, in which I will be building the Vertex Angle TKL. Basically, this is starting on Wednesday, so I'll be building mine this coming Tuesday. So if you guys are interested to hear my thoughts and opinions about this after I've built it, then yeah, tune in 7:30 p.m. PDT. Yeah, my unboxing was awesome. This is probably one of my favorite unboxings. This board is so beautiful. I'm really hoping that it's going to sound and feel just as good as it looks. So yeah, tune in 7:30 p.m. PDT. But for everyone else, thanks for watching. Hope you have a good start to your week. And I will see you when I see you. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.